tiny section all the way to the end, all over my head a million times because I want to see what it's gonna look like. So we're gonna do it. What? I don't even need to clip it. I think poofy hair is the way to curl hair. Like, you could just blow dry like this, touch up the roots with the hot comb at the end, because curls come out way better. I can't believe I didn't use no hairspray or nothing. Like, that's what's more crazy. Squishy, 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 squishy. One, two, one round. Look at that. That's squishy, squishy. I'm trying to get. It's so hot though. Ouch. Squishy, 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 squishy. Alright. Last one. This. Oh, my arms is working. Don't burn yourself. 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 Don't burn Don't burn yourself. Don't burn yourself. Don't burn yourself. Don't burn yourself. Squishy, squishy. Squishy, squishy. Squishy, squishy. Ooh. Ooh. Ah, hurt myself. Forgot to sing my song. Squishy, squishy. Squishy, squishy. And then, oh wow, that's just so gorgeous, you guys. Just from shaking it. Mmm. 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 Wow, this is so cute. I'm like shook. Wow. I think I'm gonna do prayer hands down, prayer down. And I'm dragging the hair strings. And I'll do one more pump. So I'm just prayer handsing it. Prayer hands. This is cute. The hot comb is done. You know? Like, doesn't that give way more than this? I don't know, to me it gives. I feel like it looks more like, see what I mean? Like, that just so cute. You can like pick the parts out just at the top, and then if you want to get your edges, because we did only blow dry our hair, Don't burn yourself. Don't burn yourself. Don't burn myself. 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 Yeah. See how that just, I just love. This gives, and the fact that it's only gonna get better, my length is gonna come back because my hair is long, you know, but like, I feel like it's Easter Sunday and I'm ready to slay. Put me in a pool pit. Oh my gosh, it's so bouncy pillows off the cross. Yeah, I love it. Bye.